Number 7. Oh, way they go. Fast to begin is Snake Me, is Spaghetti. In between horses, Joker, Vital, Do It David, Ditty. 3 wide is a Dugo's favorite. Then followed over by El Cid, Tomoko Kirei. Then followed over by Long Nose Sock, Miss Malabon. Boss Lady sneaking in down on the inside. Then comes Pick the Boom, Pure Energy, second last. While the early trailer is a Big Little Missy with 19.5 on the first quarter. Willing down the back stretch, 2 and 3s now matching strides together. Is Snake Me, is Spaghetti running by the being hassled by the favorite DT, and about 3 lengths back into this El Cid. Then 2 lengths back and forth sa Tomoko Kirei. Joker comes next. Do It David next in line is Tomoko Kirei, then followed over by Boss Lady. Long Nose Sock doing 25 on the second quarter. Past the last 600, DT goes in front. Is Snake Me, is Spaghetti in second, and in third still is El Cid. Dugo's favorite in fourth. Then comes entry number 1, that is Do It David. Boss Lady now arriving to the scene. 25.5 on the third quarter as they race the final corner. DT by about 2 lengths. Is Snake Me, is Spaghetti in second. Then the immediate danger now is the Boss Lady. Boss Lady and DT now fighting it out for the lead, but it's still DT followed by Boss Lady on the outside, and finally it's going to be close between Boss Lady and DT. Then comes Snake Me, is Spaghetti. Another close finish.
Pwede ng TNP yan ko. Markahan na natin. Kapirasong-kapiraso lang eh. Ano, direct. Tempo tayo, tapos lomo tayo kaagad. Ito, 138.6 with quarters of 19.5, 25, 25.5, 28.5 para sa 1500. 138.6. Ito na.
Alright, still DT having the upper hand, pero pag malapit na, ayun, parang lamang eh.
Lampas eh.
Snake Me, Spaghetti, tercero.
Oo, takdihado na naman ang mga trifecta quartet ito at bunch of horses were fourth. Nandun yung green. Kanina ba yung green? Do It David. Pero may kadikit siya doon. Yung take all ang gusto nating makita, direct.